Today we are excited to be testing out the brand new DIVOOM Timebox Evo Pixel Art Smart Bluetooth speaker. This is just one from a fascinating line of pixel art devices that DIVOOM have to offer, with this particular speaker today being an interactive art animated display radio alarm clock with a digital frame LED panel. It has a 6-watt output speaker, 256 programmable RGB LEDs with up to 16 million selectable colours. Oh, that's a lot. Inside the box. Okay, everything seems to be looking very nicely presented. Well packaged in fact. With a nice little box that contains a lengthy USB Type-C charge cable. It's good to see that we've got fast charging. Very nice. We also have a multi-language user manual and the Timebox speaker itself, which has a very glossy screen to the front. Let's just take off that protected film. Very shiny. To the right there is that power button, a single pin microphone. At the top we have a picture mode button, a volume up and next track selection button, as well as an auto power off timer, alarm button, and the volume down and previous next track selection. In addition, we do have the music, play, pause, call answering functions, and the voice recording button too. As you can see, there is that DIVOOM logo, which is embedded to the bottom left hand side. Yes, that Type-C port to the rear, and that 6-watt speaker sitting behind that black fine mesh grill. Let's go ahead and power it on. Oh, nice. So what appears on the front is a Bluetooth logo. So pairing mode is indeed activated. There is also that time display, but pairing is quite straightforward. Simply search and select Timebox Evo Lite on your Android device. You should see a Bluetooth pairing request pop up. Select OK, allow access, and you should hear a nice little tone indicating that connection is complete using that Bluetooth 5.0. Now look into the front of the box. This is an example of the type of pixel art you can expect to display with access to thousands more. You can simply scan the QR code on the side of the box and download the DIVOOM Pixel Art app, enabling you to manually program the 256 RGB LED lights. Or you can simply spend hours picking through the vast amount of free pixel art animations. There's lots of fun animations to pick through, and retro ones too. Or if you're simply ready to party, then choose from a choice of flashing LED light patterns, with music to match, thanks to the many accessible digital radio channels. Yes, you can play most radio channels from across the world, with vast genres of music. You can play your own music if you wish from your mobile device, and when it does come to that audio, our sound quality is pretty decent. The DPS tuned speaker provides not only clear crisp sound, but you do get good bass for such a small little speaker unit. Now, the time should automatically set once your device is synced to the speaker. If you press the picture mode button, not only on the speaker itself, but on the DIVOOM app too, where you can toggle between clock face designs, time and date, and also temperature settings, with other options too, like lighting, VJFX, visualizer, and custom settings, where you can put together a compilation of up to 12 preferred pixel art animations on repeat. As mentioned, you do have that volume up and down previous next track selections, as well as the brightness options. Yes, you can set the speaker to auto power off by pressing and holding that central clock button, then tapping it to go up in intervals up to 90 minutes, setting it to 0 to turn that option off. By holding that same button, you will also have access to the alarm clock, where you can use the volume up down buttons as well as the play pause button too to select the required alarm time. And yep, you can indeed keep an eye on that 2500 mAh battery level by simply tapping that side power button. We do have some retro games built in, like Tetris, where you can use those physical buttons to select through the shapes. Is this channel gonna reach 100,000 subscribers one day? Just a handful of games, great for kids, with other fascinating features like a DJ mixer, Mix some music together, yeah boy. There's some instruments like drums, keyboard, harp, and yes, guitar too. Although there is a slight delay from some of the on-screen presses to when the sound actually comes out of the speaker. Nevertheless, we do have a handy little scoreboard, pixel art colouring with many other uses, lots of fun features all in one box, with a battery that requires a 3.5 hour recharge, and from that recharge you should get 5 hours 20 minutes music playback time, that is with 100% volume being used. Overall, you know what, I really do like this product. It's very quirky and I love the whole concept. I definitely think that most kids, teens even, would find this alarm clock speaker very fascinating, with it having lots of cool functions and a great little voice recording feature too.
Hello everybody!
I had lots of fun with, really.
Make sure you subscribe, yeah? Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe, yeah? Yeah.
So yes, it's got all the customization that you can dream of with this Divoom Timebox costing £39. That's around 50 in US dollars. But the whole package is very solid, is well presented, it's retro looking, which I really love. And if I was to rate this out of my usual rating out of 10, then I've got to give this Divoom Timebox Evo Pixel alarm clock speaker a 9 out of 10. I gave it a 9 because there was the slight delay with regards to playing the keyboard and the music coming out of the speaker. But that's about it really, got nothing to complain about except for that. And if you do want to go and check out this little time box as well as many other fun pixel art products, yes, you can get a backpack too, if your high school will allow it. Well anyway, I've left the handy link in the video description, so yes, you can go ahead and check that out. And if you do like what you see, well, why not go get yours? So while you're in that video description guys, please go ahead and smash that like button, I'd really much appreciate it. Please subscribe to this channel today, and not forgetting to click that bell notification option so you guys will stay updated on all my new uploads. Now it's really been great reviewing this product today. I will be uploading a few more unboxings and reviews, so yes, stay tuned for them. And as usual guys, please stay safe and I hope to see you all over on those new videos. Thanks for watching and peace!